Alright, this has arrived. Super quick shipping. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, important. Alright, I'm outside. And I got the ECU right here. It's a stage 1. We're gonna do a little like comparison. Stand by. Alright. So I'm gonna let it warm up, get up to operating temperature. We're cruising. Hopefully no one hits me. Don't hit me, lady. Watch your fucking self. So we're cruising. See if I can hit some boost. That's what we got there. It's hard to tell because of the glare. See if I can get it on a different angle. It's hard to do. So that's a stock ECU. So let's see what happens when we put in this other ECU. Alright, so once you do that, it's gonna look something like this. See those in there? Alright, that's the old one. This is the new one. Stage 1, 15 PSI. Same code. Get everything back inside. So you just do everything in reverse. And then get back in this bitch and follow the instructions. Let's do it. Alright, and once you do that, you're gonna wanna put this painful fucking torture device back on. It goes right there and then there. But make sure that your clips are slid in. See that right there? Alright, my phone ran out of memory, but it says to wait 2 minutes for the motherfucker to align. So we're gonna wait 2 minutes and then we're gonna start it up. So I did the process and it don't seem to be working right. So I restarted the process. I'm gonna try to start it in a couple seconds. I think that's the on position. Seems to be the on position. Okay. Press the pedal to the floor. On position. Hold the pedal for 5 seconds, then turn the key back to off.
Well, you've been recording for 1:20.
I mean, there was good reviews on it and shit. Like, people were saying that give the guy a shot. Like, his tunes are worth it. But what I'm seeing right now, I gave a VIN, I gave my exact motor. So this is what it's doing. Hitting at a really, really crazy idle. I think it needs to be adjusted or the shit's just not right. He figured it out. I'm gonna let him explain what happened and how he fixed it.
Yeah, so we got some VCDS here, or vag-com as it's known. One of the things that happens usually is like if you're changing out ECU, of course, electronics, VW, you're gonna have a bit of issues. So with that being said, you're gonna have to use vag-com or VCDS. You can't do it manually. I know there's a couple of tricks that were explained to me, like pressing the gas pedal, yada yada. What you're gonna kind of need is this here, and you'd be going into measuring blocks. And for this specific make and model, this is what is it, 99 Jetta?
Passat.
Passat, I'm sorry. Yeah. So you go here to channel 60, and it shows here 80 POK. But what you want to do is run this test with the key all the way set to on, and then you'd go to switch to basic settings, which I'm not going to do now because the car is running. But what it does is it aligns the throttle body. It'll bring it all the way forward and then all the way back, so it centers it perfectly. But he was having that issue of getting 300 RPMs because this wasn't set properly. So with a little bit of money, this VCDS typically goes for like around $3 grand if you're getting it legitimately. not going to promote piracy, but again, you can get this stuff maybe $50 with the cable included from China. Just saying. But I just want to throw it out there. So there it is. We're all running now.
There you have it. Gotta hit the tuner up to get things done right.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that's how it works.
Absolutely. It goes pretty good. I'm gonna try to get one more clip for y'all so you can see the boost. It kicks in pretty decent. Alright, so just a little, just a little drive around the block real quick. Just to show y'all that she is getting boost and that she is boosting up really nice. Send it in second. Ready? I mean, that looked like a solid 10, maybe 11, but still, that's a couple PSI more than what she was doing. She's good. All right, like and subscribe. We're gonna keep it coming. All types of content. Let's get it.